Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is about the best 4K projector for your home theater. 4K projectors are a high-impact workaround if you don't want a huge 75-inch 4K TV to dominate your home when it's not in use, but you do want a big, impressive, and cinematic viewing experience when you have a movie to watch. Keep watching the video to find the 4K projector for your home theater or living room. This is Samsung the Premier Projector, the next generation of living room projection. This ultra-short throw beamer makes use of 4K, HDR laser projection, with a 3-color laser removing the need for a color filter, and therefore allowing the Premier's 2800 lumens brightness to really shine. Pictures are punchy and colorful, and Samsung's world-first introduction of the HDR10+ format, which adds in scene-by-scene picture calibration incompatible films and TV shows. This projector also benefits from the full implementation of Samsung's Smart TV operating system and built-in 40-watt speakers. With a max 130-inch picture, a host of high-end and world-first technologies, and a TV operating system that fixes one of our main complaints about the best projectors available today, Samsung's the Premier is a knockout choice for a new home cinema projector. It is expensive but is undeniable a good choice for those who can afford it. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Vava 4K laser projector, the best projector for style. It comes with a sharp 4K picture and impactful HDR despite its 8-bit color limitations. As an ultra-short throw laser projector, you are getting a massive picture of up to 150 inches, while only having to place it a few inches away from a wall or screen. The 2500 lumens brightness is more than enough to make its images look vibrant, while a sleek design and soft fabric covering ensure the projector is aesthetically satisfying even when it's turned off. As a crowdfunded model, the odds may have been against this laser projector, but the result is certainly one of the best projectors on the market today. With Vava's mix of bright 4K images, impactful color, and ultra-short throw picture, all packaged in a gorgeously sleek design, it's a brilliant choice for a new home projector. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Optoma UHD35, the best 4K projector for the money. It packs a lot into its tiny case and low price, and it can throw a ton of light that produces accurate colors and great detail. It's bright, has fairly accurate colors, and looks far better than you might expect of a budget 4K projector in this price range, which is its biggest selling point. And it serves up eye-watering detail on a gigantic screen, the kind of sharpness that No. 1080p projector can match. This 4K Ultra HD projector offers great picture quality for only a few $100s over the best 1080p projectors. While many other projectors have been dropping inputs, this projector keeps several that seem almost anachronistic in a home theater projector, such as an analog RGB input, for instance. It doesn't offer lens shift, or much in the way of a zoom, but if it fits in your room it's a great way to get a 4K projector on a budget. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Optoma Cinema XP2, the best projector for audio. It is a super bright 4K, HDR cool-looking piece of kit, and it's not often you can say that about a projector. Stylishly finished in matte white, with complementary gray fabric grille, and peekaboo lens up top, it looks suitably trendy. It's built around a single-chip DLP 4K device, allied to a laser light engine, which translates to pin-sharp pictures and excellent color vibrancy. With its top-notch audio performance, each driver has its own 10 watts digital amp module, so that's a cumulative output of 40 watts. And with the sonic chops of a large Bluetooth speaker, it's more than loud enough to disguise its operating noise, which is a low 26 decibel. The beautifully designed Optoma Cinema XP2 is proof that a projector doesn't have to dominate your living space if you want to supersize your images. And if you want cinema-sized images without the hassle, P2 has a massive projection, and its ultra-short throw tech means you won't need a ceiling mount to make use of it. It improves on the latency of its predecessor, making gaming a reasonable activity for this beamer, and 3 HDMI inputs that will support a handful of consoles. The Cinema XP2 has polished picture quality, and the onboard sound system is a blast. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is BenQ TK850, the best projector for brightness. It is a 4K projector for your living room, with boosted audio, intense 3000 lumens brightness, and a focus on sports broadcasts to help it stand out from the piles of other projectors out there. It has an exceptional HDR, and the addition of a motion smoothing and contrast heightening sports mode for those wanting to watch the football on a large projection. It also has drastically improved brightness, and adding a lens shift tool to elevate or lower the height of the projection. It can output 3000 lumens of brightness, making for vividly realized colors and immediately visible detail, even in daytime or with some level of ambient light in the room. It is an incredibly bright HDR projector with support for 4K. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video, and hope this video was helpful in finding the 4K projector for your home theater or living room. The links for more information are in the description below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next video.